If your goal is to become a Solana blockchain developer, there are a couple of packages which you have to live with. No matter what product you are developing, you're going to use those same packages over and over again. You're going to call all of the models you will have in the packages which allow you to communicate with a blockchain for reading the data, writing the data, building the secure model, handling the decimal point, connecting with a wallet, building the app router. These are the packages you're going to utilize extensively no matter what product you are building. The contract would be different, the logic would be different, but when you're going to communicate, allow the user to communicate and perform the transaction on the Solana ecosystem, this package is absolutely must, and you cannot ignore the fact, and you have to know about it extensively if you really want to focus on Solana development. And I'll show you the live example that how we have utilized the same packages for building this particular project. So you will come back here, come back to my visual code, and if I show you the package.json file in which you will find that we have these packages, let me make on the full screen, and you will find that these are the most used packages you will find no matter when you are developing this project or any project in your career. If you are building any application on Solana ecosystem, I know you are good with a contract, but somehow you're going to build the connection with the application, so you have to utilize it. So the very first one we have is this Metaplex, which allow you to follow the models we have in the Metaplex to handle the token structure, the metadata. That's all is very important, and you're going to use it extensively because without token you cannot build any application, because that's the core feature we have in the decentralized ecosystem for monetizing any product through the token or through the native currency. So you have to know about the Metaplex and all the models we have which handles the token metadata as well as the foundation model. So these are packages are absolutely must, because without this package you cannot able to manage, and all the project which you're going to develop is going to deal with the token, whether it's a native token or your custom SPL token or monetization model. It will go through this one because that's how you're going to monetize. And to monetize and handling the proper transaction, you need this Metaplex and its foundation model. So that's what we have. The next one we have is the Solana package. This one is the most prominent package you will find, and it has all the models. Whether you talk about the multiple wallet adapter, whether you talk about the SPL model, whether you talk about the conversion into a native currency in the native currency or handling the decimal point, that's all you will find. So here you will find all the models. You can import it individually or you can take it as a global model as well. So here you will find that I have taken the SPL token model, which give me all the features so I can able to perform the transaction. And here I have the other models, which is actually a basic wallet adapter. So if I want to provide multiple wallet options like Phantom Wallet, Ledger, Coinbase, all the wallets we have, that's all we can import and we can provide it. We can also take the UI structure of the existing wallet model, and that's what we can inject in the project. And that's what you will find that I have simply imported. So this particular package is absolutely must for you. If you come back here, you have the other mode, like we have the Axios package, which allows to make the call, API call. So generally we're going to use this project, this particular package to make the API call to our IPFS. So generally we use Pinata. It's a free platform which allow you to communicate with the IPFS model, and you can simply upload the data to the distributed network and you can get it from there. So that's what we use it for. We have this base 58 which allow to perform the conversion, because without this you cannot able to pass the data in a proper numbering format to the contract. If you come back to the format data, which handles the data, so if you're taking the data in the form format in the project and then you are passing and converting and uploading, then you need this one. We have the next, which is the framework, and these are the regular packages. If you want to allow user to have the drop down feature, this is the package we have. So ultimately you have noticed one thing, that these are the packages which is absolutely must. It's few number: the Metaplex Foundation, the Solana package, and the Axios. These are the core features of decentralized application on the Solana blockchain, and you have to be familiar with them. Go to this particular one, Solana, and then you will find all the model. I have installed individually, but you can take it as a global scope and you can simply include it in a project. If I show you the project which I have built, this is the project which I have built currently for one of my clients. It's a Solana token creator platform which allow the user to create the token, and when they will create the token, we're going to make the commission. We will charge the commission, and it has multiple features. So I can simply come back here. Let's call this. Let me show you how you can create. If you haven't seen, I'll call this one. I'll call this TN or TB. Let's call this TB. And here you have to give the brief description for your tokens. I'll simply copy that one. And that's what I can provide here. From here, you can control the supply. So you have to understand that what type of token you want to launch and what is the token, what is the purpose behind the launch of the token. So based on that, you have to pick the supply. And from here, you can control the decimal. So this is the common, and this one we have for the stable coins, but I will go with the common standard token. And from here, you can upload. You can see we are used the drop model. I'll simply select the image and I will upload, and you will find we have all of this data. Now I can click on this continue, and it will take me to the next stage. And this one is optional. You can provide the details like website, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and allow them to have it, or simply skip this part, because this will be handled by the Metaplex Foundation, where we're going to inject these data. So let's click on this continue, and here we have the advanced features. So if you want to allow user to revoke this feature, and they can revoke that, because by default this feature would be there in the token. But if you really want to have a successful token trade, so successful token launch, then you have to remove this feature. So when the user wants to remove this feature, we're going to charge extra commission per this feature. So if I add this, I'm going to pay extra this, because by default I'm charging 0.1 Sol for allowing user to create the token. But now by ticking on this, I'm going to pay 0.2 Sol as a commission. If I want, I can activate this all, and I'm going to pay altogether 0.4 Sol as a commission. But I want to remove it. I don't want to spend much fund. I can click on this, launch my token, and here we are calling the Access API, uploading the data to the distribution network, then calling the Metaplex to formatting the data, and now it's going to trigger the wallet, and I can simply call the password. Click on this unlock, and you will find that here we got it. You will have the details. You can see the money I'm paying, because that's the only one I have activated, and this money will come to my wallet as a creator of this platform. So let's click on this confirm, and the transaction will be completed. I have created my token. If I come back in my Phantom wallet, you will see the token would be launched. Our token is successfully launched. If I come back here, if I go back to my account number 1, you will see that we have received the fund. This will go up to 0.6, and here you will find. So we have received the commission and the token is launched, and now user can take this token to any decentralized exchange, create the liquidity, allow the user to perform the trade. So it's a really powerful project. Again, I'm telling you, if you haven't built this project, make sure to build. At least launch this project. It will generate you constant income. So that's how you have to think as a developer. That's how you have to think as an investor. So that's the only thing I want to cover. If you have any question, any doubt, leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.